Mirroring our Android devices has now become very easy in Windows 11. Whether it's for showcasing presentations, images and videos, or displaying any other media content, Windows 11 has you covered, as you'll now be able to cast your device without any extra hardware like Chromecast. If you're interested in learning more about it, then this step-by-step guide should be of good use to you. Before we dive in, ensure that you meet these two essential prerequisites. First, your Windows computer and Android device must be connected to the same local network. Second, your Android device should have a casting feature. While most devices are equipped with this feature, I've noticed variations in compatibility. For instance, Google Pixel and Motorola devices encountered issues during the testing, whereas Samsung and LG models worked flawlessly. If you're using a device from a different manufacturer, it's worth giving a try to see if it's compatible. To enable the casting feature, begin by downloading the wireless display feature. For this, navigate to Settings, select System from the left panel, scroll down and choose Projecting to this PC. When doing it for the first time, you'll see a screen like this. Here, click on Optional Features, then search for Wireless Display Driver and install it. Next, let's configure its settings. Revisit the Projecting to this PC feature and you'll see a different page this time with 3 drop-down menus. Set the first to Available Everywhere on Secure Networks, the second to First Time Only, and the third to Never for pin-based pairing. That's it. Now, switch to your Android device and open the casting feature. Look for your computer's name in the list. Once you find it, tap on it and a prompt will appear on your computer to either allow or block the connection. Select Always Allow and your Android device should now be casting. I hope this guide has simplified the process of casting your device. If you found it useful, please consider hitting the like button as a token of appreciation. Thanks for watching, and if you have any queries, do let me know in the comment section. Take care and have a great day.